Okay, special one box episode of the unboxing. I'm gonna try to. I don't want to give away my address because that's how an unboxing disaster happens. But this is from TJ Hitchings, who works for me, who I hate. So I'm curious what he sent. Why do I hate him? Because he sided with the greatest fucking piece of shit that ever worked for Barstool and wished him well on his next venture, even though he's a piece of shit and didn't deserve fucking the air to breathe. So let's see what TJ sent me to Florida. Very odd that I got this. I don't even know if it's like what it is, whether it's a gift or whether it's something for work, or why TJ sent me anything, or is he trying to get on my good side or what? To Dave from TJ. The guy's never apologized, by the way. So let's see. Thanks. I am sorry. I want to apologize for the way I have acted in the past towards you. I looked up to you as a leader for many years, even before I started working in Barstool. I know that's something I said online has given a bad impression of what I think of you as a person. This is one of the deepest regrets, and I'm sorry. I want to prove to you that I look up to you as a boss, and I will continue to work towards earning some semblance of respect back. Well, I can't talk. Please accept these gifts as a step in the right direction. It's a nice Michigan jacket, starter. My question, okay, and a Miami jacket. I was gonna say, starter sends us stuff. So did TJ buy these, or was he given these? For Silvana snapped. Okay, nuts. You know what? I don't know that he bought any of this shit. He may have just been laying around the office. If I hated TJ at 10, I'm going to take it down to a 4. This is a step in the right direction. And enough people speak highly of him. This is nice. This is a nice. This black heart of mine, this cold heart of mine, maybe melted just a little bit. TJ, you're 3. Your hate level is a 3. How does that compare? Who else do I hate? Maybe about the same as a Smitty.